Hello there everybody, thank you ever so much for taking a look into becoming one of my members. It really does help me keep my channel alive and running. If you're thinking of joining, I have 3 different tiers on offer to you. So the first tier I like to call my Apprentice Engineers. This is just a really basic level of support. It's super cheap to join, but it really does go a long way. Get a badge next to your channel name to let everybody know that you're a VIP. You also get access to the special secret emojis for live streams, and you also get access to private behind the scenes posts which include hints for upcoming videos. So the next tier is my standard tier. It's known as the Engineers. It's slightly more expensive, but you get loads more perks. First of all, you get everything that the Apprentice Engineers get. You also get early access to all of my videos. You get a secret exclusive live stream every month for members only, where you can take part as well. We talk about what you want to talk about, and I also show some of your photos and videos too. And you also get access to my playlist of behind the scenes videos, which I'm adding to all of the time. So if you want to know more about how the channel is run, then that is probably something for you. And finally, we have the top tier, which is known as the Chief Mechanical Engineers, and this is for the real die-hard supporters of the channel. The Chiefs get access to everything I've already talked about, plus they get entered into every competition I run on my channel. You get a special Sam'sTrains desktop wallpaper every month, you get a free request in every series of live streams, and you also get a personalised video just for you on your birthday. And with that, that is all I have on offer if you want to become a member. Thank you very much for taking the time to listen, and if you're thinking of joining, there's a button down below, and welcome aboard. Hopefully I will see you soon. Cheers folks, take care.